Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character liàng or liáng step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. That's right. Liàng, liáng. As liàng, it means capacity. Capacity, amount. As liàng means to measure. For example, 丈量 丈量 to measure. Measurement. Next one, 雨量 雨量 means rainfall. 雨量 rainfall. Now check this sentence. He has made an accurate measurement of my garden. He has made an accurate measurement of my garden.他准确地丈量了我的花园。他准确地丈量了我的花园 garden. He has made an accurate measurement of my garden. 他准确地丈量了我的花园。My daily handwriting on the character liàng. Liàng, capacity, amount. 量 to measure. 丈量 to measure, measurement. 雨量 rainfall. He has made an accurate measurement of my garden. 他准确地丈量了我的花园。量 Please comment any words or sentence with the character liàng or liàng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.